Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. May 17th Prelims MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following temple found in the protected area of Periyar Tiger Reserve? 1. Shabarimala. 2. Mangaladevi Kannagi. 3. Mahalingeshwara. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1, 2, 3. C, 1 and 2. D, 1 and 3. And the answer is C. The Shabarimala Lord Ayyappa temple situated close to the buffer zone of the sanctuary. Mangaladevi temple is a 1000 years old temple inside the dense forest of the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Unregulated influx of pilgrims or tourists is a major challenge in many protected areas, such as large number of peoples and vehicles need to be regulated. There have been efforts at such regulations in many places, including Gomukh in Gangotri National Park, Jyotirlinga Shiva Temple in Bhimashankara Sanctuary, Shabarimala in Periyar Tiger Reserves, etc. Question number 2. Sri Bhimashankara Jyotirlinga Temple is located in which state? Option A, Maharashtra. B, Madhya Pradesh. C, Karnataka. D, Kerala. And the answer is A. Bhimashankara Temple is a Jyotirlinga shrine located 50 kilometers in Khed Taluka near Pune in Maharashtra, India. It is located 127 kilometers from Shivaji Nagar in the Ghat region of Sahyadri Mountains. Bhimashankara is also the source of the river Bhima, which flows south and east and merges with the river Krishna near Raichur. The other Jyotirlinga shrines in Maharashtra are Triambakeshwar near Nasik and Grishneshwar. Question number 3. Identify the correct statement regarding Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited, SECI. 1. It is the only CPSU for solar energy. 2. It is under control of Ministry of Earth Science. 3. It will implement JNNSM. Option A, 1, 2, 3. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 3 and 1. And the answer is D. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. It is a CPSU under the administrative control of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. It is the only CPSU dedicated to the solar energy sector. The company is responsible for implementing a number of schemes of MNRE, major ones being viability gap funding schemes for large-scale grid-connected projects under the JNNSM Solar Park Scheme and Grid-Connected Solar Rooftop Scheme, along with a host of other specialized schemes such as Defense Scheme, Canal Top Scheme, Indo-Pak Border Scheme, etc. Question number 4. Identify the correct statement regarding Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission, JNNSM. Option A. Target under JNNSM is reaching 20,000 megawatt solar power by 2022. B. Target under JNNSM is reaching 1 lakh megawatt solar power by 2022. C. Target under JNNSM is reaching 20,000 megawatt solar power by 2025. D. Target under JNNSM is reaching 1 lakh megawatt solar power by 2025. And the answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission was launched in 2010. Mission has set the ambitious target of deploying 20,000 megawatts of grid-connected solar power by 2022. Present government revised target under the JNNSM by 5 times, reaching 1 lakh megawatt by 2022. Question number 5. Identify the correct statement regarding Department of Biotechnology, DBT. 1. It is under Ministry of Science and Technology. 2. It promotes biotechnology only in healthcare and environment. Option A, 1 and 2. B, 1 only. C, 2 only. D, none of the above. And the answer is B. Department of Biotechnology under the Ministry of Science and Technology. It promotes the use and application of biotechnology in the areas of agriculture, healthcare, animal science, environment, and industry. It is focused on attaining new heights in biotechnology research, shaping biotechnology into a premier precision tool of the future for creation of wealth and ensuring social justice, especially for the welfare of poor. Question number 6. Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, BIRAC, is a option A, not-for-profit public sector enterprises, B, not-for-profit private sector enterprise, C, not-for-profit partnership firm, D, non-government organization. And the answer is A. About BIRAC, Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council is a non-profit Section 8 Schedule B public sector enterprises. It is set up by Department of Biotechnology. It is an interface agency to strengthen and empower the emerging biotechnology enterprise to undertake strategic research and innovation, addressing nationally relevant product development. Question number 7. NIMISHA 2021 recently seen in news is a option A, virtual museum space, B, virtual magic space, C, virtual forest space, D, none of the above. And the answer is A. National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi is creating a virtual museum space through its online summer program NIMISHA 2021. This unique art fiesta will provide a platform to create and engage with the arts. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement regarding NIMISHA 2021. 1. It is conducted under National Gallery of Modern Art. 2. It is for only videography and printmaking. Option A, 1 and 2. B, 1 only. C, 2 only. D, none of the above. And the answer is B. National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi is creating a virtual museum space through its online summer program, NIMISHA 2021. This unique art fiesta will provide a platform to create and engage with the arts. Workshops have been designed on painting, sculpture, printmaking, and videography, and puppeteering and other related arts. The NGMA NIMISHA portal will also stream a curated film festival for the participants from NGMA private collection. A session on the storytelling and performances will be held every Friday. Question number 9. Identify the correct statement regarding National Gallery of Modern Art. 1. It is under Ministry of Culture. 2. Delhi branch is world's oldest modern art museum. 3. Delhi branch is world's largest modern art museum. Option A, 1, 2, 3. B, 1 and 2. C, 2 and 3. D, 1 and 3. And the answer is D. The National Gallery of Modern Art is a premier art gallery under Ministry of Culture, Government of India. It is the collection of more than 1700 works by 2000 plus artists. Some of the oldest works preserved here date back to 1857. With 12,000 square meters of exhibition space, the Delhi branch is one of the world's largest modern art museum. It was initially registered as Delhi Fine Arts Society in 1929 and was founded by artist brothers Bharada and Sharada Ukil, who were students of Abanindranath Tagore. The Capitoline Museum, Rome, is the oldest museum in the world. Question number 10. Soham platform is a cultural media platform. 1. It is the first cultural media platform under National Gallery of Modern Art. 2. It is a parallel platform to the current social media. 3. Soham symbolizes universal self reflected as individual self in all of us. Option A, 1, 2, 3. B, 2 and 3. C, 3 and 1. D, 2 and 1. And the answer is C. It is the first cultural media platform under the banner of National Gallery of Modern Art. It is not parallel platform forum to the current social media. It is an attempt to connect to the universe of art and beyond. Soham symbolizes universal self-reflected as individual self in all of us. Thank you all. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.